Stop scrolling. This is your moment to heal. If your heart feels heavy, if your mind won't let you rest, this is the message your soul has been waiting for. These are not just words. These are healing seeds, rooted in ancient Buddhist wisdom, planted gently into your spirit, one breath at a time. Say them with me, or let them wash over you like soft rain. Either way, let go now. It's time to return to peace. Affirmation 1. Letting go. I now release all that no longer serves me. I let go of the pain I cannot change. I forgive others, not for them, but to free myself. I forgive myself for not knowing better, for trying, for surviving. I release the need to be perfect. I let go. Affirmation 2. Healing the mind. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. I am safe in this present moment. I speak to myself with kindness and compassion. My mind is a sacred space, and I now choose peace. Each breath I take is a step toward healing. My inner world is calm, clear, and grounded. Affirmation 3. Restoring the heart. I am loved by the universe simply because I exist. My heart is open, soft, and strong. I allow love to flow freely in and out of me. Even in darkness, I carry light within me. I honor my journey. I honor my wounds. And tonight, I choose to begin again. Affirmation 4. Deep sleep and surrender. I give myself permission to rest deeply. I surrender all worries to the night. I trust that tomorrow will take care of itself. I am held by the rhythm of the universe. Sleep is my sanctuary. Healing is happening now. You are not broken. You are healing. You are returning to your true self. If this brought peace to your night, subscribe to the Inner Peace Project and let us walk with you every evening, every breath, every healing step. Type, I choose peace in the comments and let the universe witness your intention. And before you sleep, remember this. You are enough. You are safe. You are already on your way home.